Charged with 6 counts of sexual abuse against minors was in court today.
Investigators say Thomas Tucker had inappropriate conduct with at least 4 girls while they stayed at his horse riding camp near Robertsdale.
Earlier this week on Fox 10 News at 9, we told you nearly 50 pair of women's underwear were found during a search of his home.
Today, Fox 10 News reporter Hal Sherrick got more new information, and we want to warn you, some of it may be disturbing.
65-year-old Thomas Tucker of Robertsdale sat alongside his attorney today as prosecutors questioned a Baldwin County Sheriff's investigator. Their goal, showing District Court Judge Scott Thomas enough probable cause to send the case against Tucker to a grand jury. Tucker faces 5 felony charges of sex abuse against a minor and 1 misdemeanor charge. Investigators say the charges stem from allegations from 2 girls under 16 who stayed at Tucker's horse riding camp between May and August of this year. Sheriff's investigators served a search warrant on the residence in September, and today evidence of what was found was presented. Authorities confiscated pictures, a laptop computer, a cell phone, and 49 pair of women's and young girls' panties. 9 pair were found in his dresser. 40 were found wrapped in a bag in his bedroom closet. Sex toys and pornography were also found in the closet. Today, prosecutors petitioned the judge to allow for Tucker's DNA to be sampled because of what was found on some of the panties.
There were some juvenile female panties found in that residence during a search warrant, presumptively positive for semen. So obviously it's going to be important for us to determine whether that was this defendant's semen on these little girls' underwear.
During the hearing, an investigator testified that the panties found with what they believe to be semen on them don't belong to either of the alleged victims in this case. Because of this, the defense argued against allowing the DNA to be taken. But District Attorney Hallie Dixon said it goes towards showing Tucker's motive.
What we have to prove, which is that it was done for the purpose of gratifying sexual desires, as well as a unhealthy and unnatural attraction to a younger female.
Judge Taylor ordered Tucker to provide the state with a swab from his mouth to provide them with DNA. He also bound the case over to the grand jury. Reporting in Bay Minette, Hal Sherrick, Fox 10 News.
Well, the defense chose not to make a statement or take questioning after the hearing. Tucker must provide the district attorney's office with the DNA sample within 14 days. The next grand jury is set to convene in November.